Naghahanap yung katawan ko ng kape. Mababa na energy ko. Dadaan tayo sa dinadala ng ATV. Off-road. Where's my coffee? I need the 1987 Manscaped Cafe. Pag na-experience mo na yung trail doon sa bundok, basic na to. Let's go. Delegates. Sa taas mas madali. Liligaw kami. Dapat sa baba pala. Yun, nakapagpalit rin ako ng baterya. Medyo mas mahirap to. Matigas. Delikadong masimplang. So buti wala tayong na-miss na checkpoint. I thought we missed something. Let's go. Hey guys, you okay? Oh dang, that is bad. Oh, I'm stuck. Wait. Come on, Bilog. Good job, Bilog. You have to find a good way. Okay. Pag masyadong bumagal, mas mahirap i-balance. Kailangan tama lang yung bilis. Finally. Oh, unforgettable experience. It's my first time with my Desert X. We survived. Basic.